Hi everybody. This is how we are going to boil water today. First you take your pot and you fill it up with water that's been banned from, like say, New Orleans. And then what you do is you shut the water off like this. Then you take the pot and you put it over here on the stove. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, I'm losing water. Mitch Landrew ain't gonna like that. Alright, then you put it on the stove like that. And you turn on. Oh, that's the wrong one. Mitch Landrew ain't gonna like that. Oh, that one don't work. Oh, it was working. Oh, come on, Betsy. Come on. Oh, that's how you make barreled water. Here, the Mitch Landrew New Orleans Water Association would like to thank you for watching this video. Cheers.